Hey guys, so I know it's been a hot minute since I last did a video, but now that we're on lockdown and I have some time and my package came, I thought now would be the perfect time to do a video. So this will be a review on these contact lenses, and then at a later stage I will do a whole makeup look for them. I just quickly did it. Like, this makeup took me like probably just under 10 minutes to do, so don't come for me if my eyelashes are wonky or my eyeliner is not straight or whatever, because I literally did this in 10 minutes just to show you what the contact lenses would look like. Okay, so let's start. So you guys, I'm raw. I opened this last night when I got it without even thinking about doing a video and unboxing. If you want to see what the package looks like brand new without my fat fingers in it, you can go check out my Instagram. I did do sort of like a mini unboxing, so I'll post everything there and you can just see what it looks like. But I've opened everything, so yeah. So what I'm talking about is the Ttdeye, or the third eye contact lenses. Now guys, these people are all over Instagram, so you will be guaranteed to have seen them. I took a gamble with these. I saw them, I wanted them, and I just didn't know that if they would deliver. Like, I just didn't know if I would get them. So the lenses that I was looking at were going for $22. So I just paid for it. The international shipping is free. And I ordered these on the 22nd of January. Now, after I paid and everything like that, I saw that they had some sort of special from the 22nd to the 31st of Jan, where you actually got a free pair of lenses. So essentially I got 2 pairs of lenses. Bearing in mind that they were closed from the 22nd to the 31st, so that's why they sort of had that special. I had received my parcel on the, so it arrived in South Africa on the 11th of March, but the slip, by the time the slip came from the post office and all of that stuff, I only got it yesterday, and that was the 24th. So it took about 2 months for it to arrive. But if it wasn't for that delay on their side plus our post office delay, then it would have actually arrived much quicker, which I'm quite impressed with, because I didn't actually think that I would get it. Like, I was mentally preparing myself to lose that 300 odd rand that I had paid for it. But I didn't, and it came, and I'm so excited. So guys, the box is really nice. It's actually such nice quality, such a nice quality box. At the back of it is just precautions, how to actually put in the contact lenses, the hygiene, and all the rest. Okay, and inside the box, ooh. So inside the box there were the 2 packs of the contact lenses. So this iridescent one is the one I purchased, and this white one was the free box of lenses that I got. And then it just comes with like this little like sticker. Oh, it's a tattoo. Sorry, I thought it was a sticker. It's a tattoo that says happy. It also comes with a happy smile hand mirror, and it looks like some stickers at the back. So if I just open this, yeah, it's just a cute little mirror. Oh, cute. Yeah, it just looks like this, and it's a little mirror. And they put in this little like naughty looking thing in there as well. And just like a little empty card. Now, what was really cool about it was they give you these contact lens vials. So not only is it the vial in there, it's also, let's just open this, these little applicator tools that you can put the contact lenses on with, plus the vials. Now they sent me 2 of these because there are 2 sets of lenses. So these are so cute, and they come very nicely packed in like these plastic wrapping, so you know they're quite sterile. And then it came with the contact lenses. So let's start with the free pair first. This is what the actual, just the vial looks like. I don't want to actually, I'm just scared that this tips out, so I don't know if you can. Ooh, shit. Okay, so you can't really see the lenses in here because all the solution will pour out. I'm gonna put them onto my eyeball so that you can see what they look like. Okay, so this is my eye color. And excuse my face, guys, I've been for a skin peel and I know my nose and everything else is peeling. So this is my so this is my eye color. Okay, so I'm going to put in the lenses. So I'm actually going to try with these little tweezer things. I'm very good with lenses, so I don't really struggle with them, but let's just see how these work. Oh, actually, this is to pinch them out of your eyes. I think you place them on here and insert them, and then just to pick them out. But let's just see. So this is the actual lens. You can just see the color slightly. And then I'm just putting the lens, I'll just put the lens onto this suction cup thingy, and then now I'm just going to, ooh, it's sliding everywhere. I'm going to insert them into my eyes. I'm just getting some of that excess solution off onto my hand. So guys, a little trick that if your eyes do water, just take a piece of tissue and then just blink a couple of times into it, and it should take out the excess solution. This is actually so easy to apply with these little tools. Like, it's so easy to put the contact lenses in. Like, if you're a person who struggles with putting in contact lenses, these actually work quite nicely. Okay, same tip. Okay guys, and these are the free pair of contact lenses that I did receive, and these don't have a power, so these are plano. They do not have a prescription. So I cannot wear these because I am blind as a bat and I require -3s. But they are quite pretty. They have this little like brown edge, this brown edge on them. So yeah, they're quite nice. Okay, let me just zoom you out so you can see. This is the box for these free lenses. They actually don't have a color on or anything. Yeah, this is just what the box looks like, but these don't have a color or anything. Okay, so now I'm going to put on the ones that I actually purchased, and then you can see the difference. Okay guys, so now we're going to do the ones that I actually purchased, and the ones that I purchased are the Polar Lights brown lenses, and these are in the prescription -3 on both my eyes. Okay, so as I said, these are the color. This is the color of my eyes. Okay, now let's put in the contact lenses. Okay, first one in. Okay guys, and then this is the second pair, and these are the Polar Lights brown. These are this pair is the pair that I had actually paid for. I love how natural these look. They are so beautiful. So this last clip is essentially me just feeling myself. I didn't get a chance to film an outro. So guys, everything about these lenses will be in the description. Till next time, bye!